Hi and welcome back to Fixing It. Today we're going to change the dome lights on this 2010 Honda Pilot. As you can see, the way you change this is you got to pop this off, okay? So you take like a piece of a screwdriver or anything and you just pop that off. That's it. Now here's your bulb. You use the same tool to kind of pop this out, okay? That's the bulb. So this is the one you have to get, okay? I already used one for the other side. So all you gotta do is pop it in. Okay? That's the way it works. So all you gotta do, pop this piece back in. That's it. Now they're both working. Super simple. Hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.